so here we have like a mini heaven right here. We have 6 Rheem classics, and we have a Carrier Comfort series. Here's this first one right here. Clip and scroll. (2016) 1.5 ton. Yeah. Hasn't been running. Here's this other one. Flip and scroll. Oh, this actually has a Gentech motor. I thought it would have a ProTech. 2016 as well. 1.5 ton, I think. Yeah. Flip and scroll. 2016 one. That's a 3.5 ton actually. What's this one? This one is a 1.5 ton. And this one here that's running as well. Also clip and scroll. 2016 1.5 ton. And then this you have this Carrier Comfort right here. Flip and scroll. Radish and fan motor. Just straight cool. 2022 5 ton. It's very cold, sweaty. It's very cold. Very cold. And we have a couple more Rheems right here that aren't running. Clip and scroll. 2016 1.5 ton. Not sure if that's been running or not. And then one final Rheem right here. Clip and scroll. 2016 1.5 ton. That's been running. So yeah, that's all of these right here. So yeah. Thank you for watching, and over and out.